I'm at the Mecum auction in Orlando at the convention center, and this is a 1933 Auburn touring sedan. Beautiful car. 4 doors. They're all suicide doors, as you can see. Beautiful brown paint with black fenders. Wood spoke wheels. Huge headlamps, which was typical for the time. Driving lights. You can see the horns there. 1933 Indiana, or rather Kentucky license plate. The car was made in Indiana. I can say that I've been at the Auburn Duesenberg Museum in Auburn, Indiana, many years ago. Now, because this is an inside shot here, the interior isn't lit up very well, so we don't really see too much of it, but you can open the doors and you get a glimpse of the very expensive upholstery. Beautifully coordinated, and compared to the average level of upholstery at this time, this is way beyond that. Check out the front. That's the pinstriping too, which is really really cool. Now somebody else is checking out that that upholstery, not me. Notice the side pocket there on the door. Now this car has the typical huge steering wheel, not very ornate. 3-speed manual shifter there on the floor. Necessary gauges there on a very flat instrument panel, which you really can't see very well. And under the hood here would either be an 8 or a 12. I suspicion this is an 8-cylinder because the 12 that I've seen, they have tire side mounts, and this one does not. So this would be the lower price car. Notice how the spare is carried there in the back. And of course, a side mount car wouldn't need a spare in the back. And we have gas tank. Beautiful. Interestingly enough, in 1933, guess what car was a companion model to this? Why, it was the Auburn Speedster. The Auburn Boattail Speedster. So that must have been an exciting trip to the dealer to see one of those.